Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and today we're gonna be looking at Bitcoin and see if it can hold 40k, right? Can Bitcoin hold 40k? Now, if you are catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us in the Discord. Links are going out right now. Gonna be pinned at the top of the chat, right? F for the FIFA. Martin, give me good news, please. Ooh, I wish. We'll see. We'll see. We're breaking areas. It's not looking good. We'll talk about that in a second. Let's get here on the daily, man. What is happening on the daily? Not good, man, right? Let's switch screens and see what's happening here, man. A lot of indecision. We did try to break again out of this triangle. We did try to get above $1.92 trillion, and we failed miserably. We also failed to get above the 20 moving average. Remember, we said double resistance. Failing. Come back into structure. Breaking below. This fifth retracement here. 1.847 trillion. We're seeing 1.84 right now. Almost on the dot. So, we should be trying to recover this level. Hopefully we can hold it. Otherwise, it's not going to be good. We're looking for 1.75 trillion in the bottom portion of the triangle. That's it. There's no easy way of saying it. We had hidden bullish. We don't have anything bearish right now, putting pressure on the price. And like I said, we're facing a period of indecision. The market's not out yet, right? And even yesterday I said, I'm hoping this is not going to be a sucker strap, right? Or a sucker's rally. So, neutral at 44.17. That's what we're at here. So, let's go and move on to, sorry guys, I have a print here going on. I want to make sure it's going on fine. For some reason, the first layers always lay weird. Trying to make sure it's laying properly, but yeah, it's pretty cool, man. But well, good news, my Deadpool bust came out beautifully. No stringing, some minor blobbing somewhere, but I'm gonna try to see if I can get this to come into focus. Not my face, focus on this camera. You're smart enough to determine that. Look at all that freaking detail, man. Look at all the detail on this Deadpool, man. It looks so cool. So 3D printing, guys, that Cobra, that any cubic Cobra is really, really good. I also printed a small sandwich stamp for my kids so they can get their sandwich with their characters. And right now I'm printing a cookie cutter for the wife. She wanted a cookie cutter. So really, really cool stuff with this printer. I'm really happy so far. Yeah, dude. That Deadpool's so good, I'm like dying to paint it. Anyways, you have to keep your mind entertained. You cannot be looking at the market the whole day. You're gonna go nuts, right? So let's go check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin 40,400. Remember how we said Bitcoin 40k? And you know, it looks as though we're gonna rally. Yesterday I said it looks as though we're gonna rally. I need to get above certain targets. We didn't. Right, hard rejection of the 20, hard rejection of that breakout here. So not looking the best. Don't have anything bearish. Last time we have is hidden bullish. And we're still in theory making higher lows than the previous lows, right? If we go by the candle closes, not the wicks. If we go by the wicks, we're kind of losing that. But you know, with the bodies, we're still closing slightly higher. So not all is lost. It's just not looking good, right? I don't want to be a pessimist, but if we look at what happened, you remember I said if we get above 42,990 dollars, we have a chance of going to 43,000 and 45,000, right? With 44,000 and change being a minor resistance. We didn't. We went to a high of 40,197, right? Look, 40,196, $1 off target. Rejection, hard rejection of that area, right? Not good. Not good because we broke 40,000 in that strong rejection. I didn't want to see that. I wanted it to hold. Now we're in an area where we're between 40,997 and 39,291. That is the range we can trade in. It's not the best range, but that is precisely where we are at. So with that into account, let's go over to this Bitcoin chart and see where we're at. Probably on the bottom portion of that channel again, of that upsloping channel. I'm gonna check. Hopefully we're not breaking it yet. No, look. Came back down straight, hit that bottom part of the channel. Look at that, beautiful. That yellow line there at the bottom. That is precisely what we hit. Look at that. Spot on hit almost, right? Slightly lower. Again, it just could be that my line's a little bit off, but you know, that's the area that I'm looking for. So we find support. You know, we're still trying to stay within this upsloping channel. So we're going to see if we can keep on holding on to this. So Bitcoin again dropped Not the best. We did try to go higher, and now we're at the 40K level. So bearishness, again, potential for extra downside, moved down a bit. Pumped again. We didn't have anything bullish for the rally. Remember, we talked about that yesterday. So I said, I hope we don't get a suckers rally. And I think that's precisely what we got, right? We got a suckers rally. A lot of people thought Bitcoin was going to break that 42,000, go to that 43, 44, 45,000 areas. And now we're seeing a lot of pullback happening, right? So a lot of pullback happening below the 40,500 here and hitting it at rejection right now, right? It's rejecting it. Now, I'm not sure yet we have anything here at 106, 127. We have some hidden bullish starting to develop. And I think that's part of the reason that we're trying to hold on to this area. And part of the reason that could lead us to where we could try and bounce, right? So again, oh, snaps. What was that? All right, so here we go. Divergence, bullish, hidden, potential for a rally or stagnation. So we're going to try to get above that 40,000 again. We already rejected on this 4-hour candle, and we're rejecting it. So we could still try to get back above it. We're still creating this divergence, and it is to the candle that is right now. If we go to the previous candle, we don't have it. So this candle has to have divergence, and then the next candle has to try to get us to go higher, right? That is what we're looking at right now. So also, I noticed that there's a cable here that can be seen, and part of this is also seen. I was trying to get that out of the frame. But anyways, let's keep going. Let's go. That's a 4-hour. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. On the 1 hour chart, look at this. We had the bearish divergence. We moved down. I was gonna say we broke down, but we moved down. And stuff from the 1 hour, 4 hour came through. So let's go back to the 1 hour. Here we go. Why is this coming through? This is, oh, I forgot to anchor it. Probably. Let's send that back to the 4. No sense where it's at. All right, so here we go. Right, look at this. Boom. And if we go here on the 1 hour chart, look at this. Bearish divergence strong against the RSI, right? Going from overbought or overbought, and I can't check it. Let's do this here. There we go. For some reason that went out of sync, and now it's back in sync. And here we go, right? Bearish divergence. Potential for action or downside is strong bearish while being overbought. From overbought to highly overbought. Remember, when we're in the overboughts or the oversolds, if we have bearish divergence or bullish divergence in the bottom part, we're oversold. Just like you were overbought, we look for turnarounds, right? Look, massive turnaround, heavy turnaround. We try to hold to this level for a candle, losing it. And right now, what I was telling you guys, right? We are trying to get back above it. Now, unfortunately, we don't have anything here that is bullish. Low, lower low, more negative momentum in here, low to high, right? Low to high. So nothing bullish. Again, trying to rally on what we have in the 4 hour. And that's about it, right? That's about it. So trying to go back up. Let's go to the Ethereum. Ethereum at 2,991. I hate Ethereum below 3K. Don't give me Ethereum below 3K. Rally Ethereum. Ethereum didn't rally with the same strength that Bitcoin did. Bitcoin really was going for it. But look at this hard rejection of the 20. Rejection of 3,158 for the second time. Not good. We could be aiming for 3,891, right? Low. Are we going lower low now? Are we creating bullish divergence here? Please tell me we have bullish divergence. We don't. It's slightly higher, man. It's slightly higher. Coming with less than neutral here at 44.04. I was really hoping we were going to have some bullish divergence for a potential rally, but we don't have that. Let's go here on the 4 hour, man. Coming in lower. Do we have it here? What is this? 1227. 1234 it's barely there. It's barely there here. Hidden bullish. Not the bullish we want to make right now. We want to make strong bullish and on the daily mainly. But for now, this will do. And slightly more, sorry. Hidden bullish. Potential for a pop, maybe go for that 20, right? Neutral at 40.78. And on the 1 hour chart, man, look at that drop, right? Lower, more negative momentum and lower still. So nothing here that is bullish. And the last thing we had again at the same level, right? Same area of rejection, just went slightly higher. And look at this against the MACD, right? Sorry, against the RSI, not against the MACD. Bearish divergence. Potential for a drop. Oh no, the mighty drop that we're getting. It is what we have, right? It is what we have. Not a lot going on. Ethereum's still in the positive, 0.07. Bitcoin down, 0.28. So Ethereum's trying to hold while Bitcoin's still tanking. ADA at 91 cents. Not doing so hot. 91.8. Let's get on the daily. Again, try to get above that 95, right? on the daily 95.3, failing. Right? Still slightly lower than the previous low we had. So this still tracks to there, and we still have that strong bullish on ADA, right? So we're still looking for that rally to come in. Now on the 4-hour chart, look at this: low to high, negative plus, negative, and low to high. Nothing here. Last thing we had was bearish again, pop more, kind of got rid of it, and now we're still dropping. So not really a lot going on here in ADA. High to low, plus positive, lower still. So I don't think we have a lot going on here on ADA where we can just be like, oh look, that's cool. It's just kind of there. Yeah. How did Netflix do today? I didn't check it. NFLX. Oh, NFLX here. Ooh, another 3% down. Oh no. Now remember what I told you guys, right? We're looking for potential rally to come in. I would be looking for potential rally to come in. Something that's kind of weird. And I'm not sure if it's a chart or we have bad data. But look at this drop. This massive drop here, right? Doesn't have any volume behind it, right? Look at the volume. It's rubbish. And here we had a lot of volume trading yesterday, and quite a little bit more volume also trading today. So yeah, it's interesting to see that there was no volume on the drop. But right now we're just getting slaughtered on Netflix again. Still dropped 3.52% on the daily. Not the hottest, right? Not the hottest. So now I'm starting to look for an area where we can start to get some kind of recovery, some kind of reaction rally coming in. So watch out for Netflix. It could potentially go for a small rally. What's up, Carthago? Thank you for being here, man. Again, that corn outside of the triangle again. Like I said, I don't believe the triangle is what we're trading. I think we're trading this channel. We're still within it. We came back down, held support there. Again, rejection of fibs, rejection of resistances right here, 40,500 in here, 40,990 plus, right? So we're rejecting a lot of things from Bitcoin. Not looking the strongest. Not looking the strongest, right? Would have been awesome if we would have held this area and we would have pumped more. But no, Bitcoin wasn't able to do it. And now we are paying the pain of the corn. That's it. The pain of the corn. Yeah. Like, is everything else eating dung also? HNT at $18, RSR at 0.13. Yeah, they're not doing the hottest, right? Again, potential low bottom coming in here, still looking out for that. Not coming in with strength, right? Again, not a lot going on right now. I think a lot of the things could be following Bitcoin. I'm just gonna go in here real quick, see if there's anything that's worth checking out. That was of all. That was made out something. This is near. All right, we're just gonna go here. Look at crypto's ranking. 24 hours. There. Oh, Tron. It's pumping. Oh, that's an interesting one. Why is Tron up? Tron up 13%. All right, let's go check that. So Tron, we haven't looked at Tron in a long time. It's not up that much today. It's 0.88. But in the last 24 hours, yesterday it rallied 12%. That's insane. There's hidden divergence, but that wouldn't be enough for the massive rally that we're getting, right? That's just awkward. That's just mere awkwardness right there for Tron. So high to low. Again, nice respect of some fibs. Rejection here at the 236. Came back down to that support 100%. Now broke through and then just massively plowed through to the outside. So TRX, really good pump, right? Peter, what's up, dude? Oh, new stable coin attempt. Is that it? Oh, that could be it. Yeah. Nice impulse up. We're trying to consolidate. It looks down sloping, so that would usually trigger continuation to the upside, right? So TRX could be looking for a pump still. And here on the 1 hour, it don't look as bad, right? Nice rally. And again, starting to flag. That flag is not too steep, right? Not too steep. It's still looking good here, right? Look at that. Nice slight triangle that we're starting to build here. And this is a pennant that usually brings continuation. So that was looking good. So crypto, how much do you think a massive dump on Ethereum could influence the price of Bitcoin? Being that it's the second largest traded crypto, accounting for almost 20% of the market cap, and I think it's somewhere around there still. Ethereum 19.56. So yeah, it's still gonna affect a lot of cryptos, right? Yeah, I know TRX doesn't have the good track record. I don't own TRX. I hate what, you know, this dude stands for, Justin Sun, and I'm not gonna get into it. I think it's shady AF, but you know, still could just go for a pop and then a drop, right? So we're looking for a break here, potentially to the upside. It could be a play that could yield some easy returns and then just have a quick exit, take a couple percentage points there, gains. That's the only thing I would be looking for on it, to be honest. So I would not be looking for a lot more. No, nothing long term. All right, so that's what's pumped the most here on the top 100, I guess. So let's go to the top 200 and see if we can arrange them. Usually when I go to the top 200 and I try to arrange stuff, it just really shifts it. All right, here we go. 36% on LSK. I'm not gonna look at that coin. It looks shady. I'm not sure what it does. Liver Pier, I also don't know about that one. Bridge Oracle, I'm not sure what that does either. So none of the major names are pumping a lot. Sushi Swap, all right, 3 point something. Ontology, 2.11. All right, some things are not everything's dropping. Still waiting for your bag of miners to go up. Minings. As you can tell, we're not really getting a lot after here. Right after like 20 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 coins. Actually was too generous. The markets are going red. So like I said, there's really not a lot going on right now. And still waiting on something to take off or give, you know. Nice break on Bitcoin to the upside right now. Starting to see some of that pain. Ethereum still slightly positive, right? 0.23. Not looking as bad. It looks as Bitcoin's trying to also go slightly on the green. 0.19 to downside. Again, we're trying to get some kind of stagnation happening here, right? We said stagnation that is coming from the 4-hour, right? 4-hour hidden divergence. So that's gonna be it, guys. Again, like I said, some streams are gonna be short. Today is gonna be one of those short streams. He's pumping because BitBoy said it was trash. All right, that's an interesting take. Dude, I'm still like looking at this and I'm like, wow, I'm amazed how good this came out. Check it out. If you guys didn't get a chance to see it, it has a lot of detail, man. I'm trying to get it to where it focuses on this and not on my face. Yeah, a lot of detail on this Deadpool mini, man. This Deadpool bust. It's so cool. It's so cool, man. Anyways, good short time. Yeah. So today's gonna be a short stream. There's stuff I gotta finish for work. And, yeah. So, it's one of those days. Well, I'm gonna have to cut it short. Not a lot of requests coming in, guys. Again, if you guys come in and you start putting requests, you know, I can do a little bit more things. But if I'm sitting here, like I'm just looking at the markets, there's really not a lot of action. If you guys don't request anything, I'm just gonna be basically going out of the streams. There's right now I'm being overloaded with work. A person left about a month ago. They haven't hired the position. I got a new boss also that, you know, they removed my old boss and put a new one. And this guy's really starting to like ask for a lot of things. And just a pain in the butt right now to be handling overload of work plus, you know, whatever I have to do plus another stuff that they're requesting me to do. So it's just a lot of stuff that I got on my plate and it's not cool. But anyways, we expect to rally to 41,146 last gain levels on the dailies. Yeah, we need to get about 40,999, right? I think that's where the key is going to be. Kind of go 40,500, which is resistance where we're at, and then get about 40,199. And yes, we could be trying to aim for 1,100 and change, right? But again, look at this here, right? 40,500. We're still below it. We're gonna reattempt getting above that 40,542. Watch for those levels. If we reject still, it's not gonna be good. Here on this chart, look at that, almost spot on closing and rejection of that area, right? Look at that. So slightly below it, gapped up a little bit on the opening, and look, rejection, right? And then here on this chart, we rejected and we're unable to get back above. So that was on the 1 hour. Here, again, rejection, and right now we need to get back above that 40,900. So can we? Yeah, we could. Should start getting some recovery, right? Guys, it's gonna be it for tonight. Again, if you enjoyed the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, the sub. Make sure you also join us on the Discord, right? Links have gone out, pinned at the top of the chat here on YouTube. And remember that all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. And on that note, I'll catch you guys again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. I might have a beer. It's going to be fun. Until then.